Also, we learn in a hadith that when a person gets married or a person gets a new animal, meaning a means of transportation, or a new servant, something new comes into your life. Okay? And this something new is very integral to you. It's directly going to affect you. So then you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the good in it. Allahumma inni as'aluka min khayriha wa khayri ma jubilat alay. That, oh Allah, I ask you for its goodness and the good that it was created with. Wa a'udhu bika min sharriha wa sharri ma jubilat alay. And I seek refuge in you from its evil and the evil that it was made with. For example, if you're getting a new appliance even, if you're getting a new vacuum, or you're getting a new cat, a new pet, anything new that comes into your house, into your life, there is good in it, and there can also be potential evil in it. So you're asking Allah to grant you the good and protect you from anything evil in it.